First, this video is assuming you already have the program needed in order to stream installed. Stick around with this video and let me show you how. This will tell you how to stream to Twitch, Kick, YouTube, wherever it is you want to go, even TikTok. But first things first, you want to go to Google or open up any web browser. I tend to use Chrome for mine. Then you want to go to Stream Elements. You'll find basically everything needed to start streaming. And then you want to go to Features, hit SE Live, and this will let you multi-stream to pretty much any platform. You could download it if you have Mac or Windows. I use Windows. I have it installed, so I'm not going to worry about that. And then once you install it, this is how it's going to be kind of looking for you once you have everything connected. And yes, you could even stream to TikTok with this, and you don't have to use TikTok Live. It will take you a little bit longer to get your live key that way, but you can still do it, and it will be kind of a little funky from time to time, but it works. But if this helped you, comment and let me know what game you're playing. And if you want any other type of tutorials, comment and let me know.